Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make tomato and egg noodles. You can give it a try. This refreshing tomato and egg noodles has a rich and flavorful broth that warms the heart and stomach. How do you make delicious tomato and egg noodles? Today, I'll share the right method. Fresh and delicious, satisfying and appetizing. I guarantee you'll love it after trying it once. Let's take a look together. Cut the tomatoes in half and remove the core. Then cut them into large chunks. Put the tomatoes in a plate and set aside. Crush the peeled garlic with a knife. Then chop it into minced garlic. Put it in a bowl and set aside. Prepare the garlic seedlings or shallots for flavor. Take a pat on the root of this garlic seedling and cut them into small pieces diagonally. The leaves, you can cut it a little bigger. Put some garlic seedlings to improve the taste. Slice the ham sausage thinly. Put the sliced ham sausage in a plate and set aside. Prepare some lettuce leaves. Iceberg lettuce is better in texture. Clean them. Cut them into strips. Try to keep them the same size as the noodles. It tastes better. The lettuce is crispy and becomes more fragrant as you chew. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat the eggs with chopsticks and set aside. Add a little oil. Once the oil is hot, pour in the beaten eggs. Scramble the eggs until set. Don't flip them immediately. The bottom of the eggs is completely set. Then use a shovel to gently stir the eggs into small pieces. Fry the eggs until both sides are golden brown. Then remove them from the pan and set aside. Add a little more oil to the pan. Stir-fry the minced garlic and spring onions until fragrant. Add the tomatoes and stir-fry them with a spatula. Then add a little salt. This helps the tomatoes release their juice quickly. Finally, stir-fry the tomatoes until they become mushy. Then add an appropriate amount of water. When the water in the pot is boiling, add the noodles. After adding the noodles, stir them with chopsticks. To prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pot, skim off any foam from the surface with a spoon. Add a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a little vinegar, another tablespoon of oyster sauce, a little sugar, a tablespoon of tomato sauce, and a little salt. Cook for about 3 minutes until the noodles are cooked. When the noodles are almost cooked, add the sliced ham sausage. Add the scrambled eggs and stir well. Continue cooking for another 30 seconds to allow the flavors to blend. Finally, add the lettuce and cook for about 10 seconds. If cooked for too long, the leaves will lose their taste. Now you can turn off the heat. Sprinkle with chopped spring onions, and it's ready to serve. A delicious plate of tomato and egg noodles is ready. It's sweet, sour, appetizing, and delicious. If you like it, save the recipe.